Binance will be offering a new token on their launch pool. In this video, I'm going to show you the process on how to farm this token for free. And right here, you need to come to your dashboard and press this more. And after you press more, you have to scroll up and or scroll down. So you should find launch pad. Right here, this is the launch pad. Press, and right here you have to press this launch pool down here, and you see pixels, the upcoming launch pool on Binance. The total reward is 550,000 of this coin, and the farming period is going to last for 10 days, and time until farming start is 13 hours 11 minutes 27 seconds. And right here you'll be able to stake FDUSD pool and receive 20% of total allocated rewards. And BNB pool, you need to stake this also to receive 80% of total allocated token reward. And right here, people have already been staking. If you want to stake in this first pool, you just need to come over here. If you don't have any token right here, just for instance, if I want to stake in this FDUSD pool, I'm going to purchase the FDUSD right here. I will go back and come to this right here. I will purchase this and search for this FDUSD right here and search for this. I'll press buy, and I'll be buying FDUSD $30 worth of this token. I'm going to press buy, and you see my order is being right here, as you can see. And I'm going to just load this. If you don't want to wait in this order book, you can just press cancel and come over here, press the amount of token you want to buy again, and press this first one right here to say to anyone that is open to buy. And right here, as you can see over here, this is the token, and you just need to go back again, navigate to this launch pool again, press this, and you'll be able to find this. And again, you have to press this. I'll go back, and you have to load this and press this pool. You see it's not bringing up purchasing again. I'm going to press stake, and right here you can see that I have this money in my account. I'm going to press max. That's 29 FDUSD available. I'm going to use max. If you want to enter the amount of money you want to stake, right here just press stake and successful stake this coin, and you'll be able to find this right here. And once you receive a single reward, you'll be able to claim your rewards every time you find a reward over here. And if you want to redeem your token right here, you can use this redeem button and press max. Or if you want to redeem $5, just press $5 and redeem. I've successfully redeemed $5. You can redeem any amount, and you can redeem your token at any time as much as possible, so you don't need to pay any fees right here. And I've already redeemed all this token. And if I cancel this and I go back to my wallet, I'll be able to see this token in my wallet. And that's all you need to be doing. And you can also apply this process to this BNB also, and just stick this right and press stick. The minimum of staking is 0.01, so I don't have up to that. If I have up to that, I'll just need to press stake, and it's going to stake. And people have already been staking. Total stake is 976,000 plus token has been staked. And that's all you need to be doing. If you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Subscribe so you don't miss any update about crypto on my channel. See you on the next video.